All right, ladies, this is what the frames look like. They are absolutely stunning. I told you guys these are 100% hand painted paintings made with oil paint. What I love about VinchyArt is the customer service. You just do not get customer service like VinchyArt offers. After the artist has painted your paintings, they will send you over a photo for you to review, check out the painting, and if you okay it, that is when they will ship the paintings out to you. Shipping is really fast. You will get your items in 3 to 7 days. And the best part is, once you receive the items, you can sit with them for about 30 days to determine if you are really feeling the art, or maybe if you're not, you can send it back within that 30-day time. I mean, that is exceptional customer service, and I, for one, am a fan. And look at these. They are absolutely stunning. I love the way that this has just truly opened up my entryway. The black and the brown plays very well with the brown on the door, and then the black here on our family photo wall. It is just super cute. And then I also have a mirror here, so when you are in front of the mirror, you can see the actual frames in the back. Super cute. Highly recommend.